Jake with HRS, Tire Rev Sports here. We've got we're gonna do a trunk bar install video here.
This is the V1 trunk bar in smoke color.
Alright, so we were gonna do this video. We've had some people who've had some issues with installing them, so we're gonna show you how to install this trunk bar with our X Series taillights. So in the box with the V1, you're going to have these adapters. So the light itself is going to have these two plugs or these two wires coming off, and then you'll have these two adapters in here.
So you'll have one adapter, and the second one is already connected. We can just show it to you. So you guys are going to receive one pair of these adapters, and then yeah. So okay, now this V1 bar especially, it is designed to be plug and play with XSE taillights. So either the original XSE taillights or the one that we have, the X Series taillights. So they work plug and play with these taillights only. Any other taillights or aftermarket taillights, or even the one from LE, TRD, and SE, you will have to tap them manually. We will show that to you in another video as well. But this is so in order to connect them, this is how you guys need to do it. You guys need to connect this one pin, this one socket over here.
It's 4-wire socket.
So 4-wire socket. Once you connect them, make sure the wires are aligned with each other.
Yep.
So in our case, it's
see, red, yellow.
Yep, red to red, yellow to yellow, blue. White to white, and black to black. Okay, so this is connected. One side is connected, and then you're gonna grab the other side, the other harness.
Yep.
And same thing.
So connect one wire.
It's one wire.
And then you're going to connect it the same way.
Okay, it's connected over here. Now, so the plug and play works like this. So on the back side of the original taillights on the XSE and the X Series, this harness consists of two parts. So you have to disconnect this part. Okay. So the white one you disconnect it, and then it's like a Y installation, like a Y cable installation. So then you connect, this is not the one, the other one. Yep, then you connect it over here.
No man, if this fits. Oh, there we go.
Okay. With a little bit of struggling, he was able to put it in. Now the other end, you connect it to the white socket. So white to gray. Okay, so this is connected now. Now we're gonna do now that socket exactly goes into your original plug.
Just like that.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna come over here. So we're gonna disconnect this harness. Just press that tab. Tab. There you go. Okay. And then you connect it male to female. All right, and the other end to the harness. Okay, and everything should be connected, and yeah, there you go. So we connected this one to the original socket. Now we're gonna briefly turn everything on to make sure everything works. Let's put this over here. Okay, now go ahead, turn on the lights. There you go. It has that startup animation on the V1 LED trunk bar. Okay, and then go ahead, give me the hazards. Okay, these are the hazards. As you can see, they work on the tail lights as well. Plug and play installation. Okay, and now go ahead, give me a left turn signal and right turn signal. Okay. Okay, right turn signal. Left turn signal and right turn signal. The LED bar is upside down. Give me a brake. Okay, so when you brake, it flashes like this. So this is how the installation of the LED bar is for the XSE original tail lights or our X Series tail lights. Next, we're going to show you in the next video how to connect this light with the aftermarket one, with the LE, SE, and TRD version.